Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to fix a very common issue, Wi-Fi not working on your laptop or PC. Here is the problem all the people could see. Let's go step by step to make sure you don't miss anything. And I promise if you watch the whole video, you can save your time and save your money. Step 1. BIOS setting. Restart your laptop or PC. Press F1 and F2 now. Now looking for the wireless or LAN setting and make sure it's enabled. Here number 2, wireless LAN support, it should be enabled. Number 2, wireless LAN support, it should be enabled. Step 2, function keys. Press Fn plus F5 or Fn plus the Wi-Fi icon key on your laptop. In my laptop is F5. Sometimes Wi-Fi is disabled through hotkey and don't even realize it. Step 3. Right click on the start, go to the device manager, find network adapters, check if your network adapters or wireless card is listed. If there is any yellow sign, there is a problem. Right click on the wireless network adapters, click on uninstall device, and then restart your computer. When you restart your computer, the device will reinstall automatically. Step 4. Again, right click on the start, go to the device manager, find the network adapters, right click on the wireless network adapters, click on properties, go to the power management, and uncheck this icon. Click on OK, and as you can see, when you refresh your laptop or PC, your Wi-Fi is going to back. Step 5. Run network troubleshooter. Go to the network and internet setting, click on troubleshoot, click on Wi-Fi, click on apply this fix. Now is resolving the problems. And that's it. As you can see, the problem is gonna be fixed. The final step and the most important one. Some laptops have a physical switch on the side or front to enable or disable Wi-Fi. You can see that when I switch it to the right, the Wi-Fi appears, and when I switch it to the left, the Wi-Fi disappears. And that's it. One of these steps should fix your Wi-Fi problem. If this video helped you, please like the video, subscribe, and leave a comment. Thank you for watching.